As opposed to what a lot of people think, Tantra is actually not about sex. It's more about life force energy. And the way that I see it, life force energy, pleasure, and creativity are all on the same spectrum. Now, Tantra as a practice is quite beautiful in that it's different, because what you're probably familiar with is yoga that very much focuses on the body. But actually, Ashtanga yoga and many of these yogic traditions that you might see at a gym, for example, have origins and stem from Tantric yoga. And Tantra yoga uses, simply speaking, 4 modalities to rekindle and integrate your inner world. And so it uses breath, movement, sound, and visualization for you to establish a beautiful, loving inner ecology, for you to integrate all pieces of yourself so that you can live in alignment with your desired destiny. And this is so beautiful, I find, and so effective, and something that we're missing in the modern world a lot. And it actually is one of the only few philosophies and practices, it's not a religion, that doesn't deny your sexual energy, but rather uses it for your empowerment. And even the chakra system that you probably have heard so much about stems from Tantra yoga. And so this channel is aiming to myth bust many of the things that people might hear about Tantra that actually is not true, and enlighten people to the fact that, like, wow, why isn't everyone doing this? Because it's such a beautiful way to re-establish a connection with your body, because after all, pleasure lives in your body, and many of us are so blocked from our bodies in general. And it uses pleasure and these stronger energies like sexual energy to accelerate the healing process, because if we don't infuse self-development work with pleasure and fun, we won't have the energy to actually get to a state of liberation in this lifetime. And yeah, there's so many things that I love about Tantra, and again, many of us kind of wrinkle our noses or go, ooh, because there have been maybe, dangerous power dynamics in the people that are teaching it, or they're not teaching it with integrity, or they don't have the certification and the training in Tantra. And so please let me know if you have any questions, and subscribe to this channel if you want to learn about the beauty and depth that Tantra actually has to give. And again, there are many lineages as well, and I am only here to speak from one perspective, but I hope that there's at least some of this that you can take home with you and chew on and maybe shift your perspective